Okay, so our next sum is this one, that CP is equals to rupees 181, SP is equals to rupees 220, overhead charges is equals to this much, rupees 17. So, is it a profit or is it a loss? It is a profit, we know, but how it's a profit we don't know. So calculating it will be, see that first we should know the CP. So CP is equals to rupees 181. But is that our perfect? No, it's not correct. We have a overhead charges, so we have to add to the overhead charges. We have to add to the overhead charges. It means what it will be? Plus overhead charges. First write overhead charges. That which formula you are using over here should be clear. Overhead charges. Okay. Then is equals to rupees 181. What is the overhead charges amount? Okay, it's rupees 17. So let's write over here rupees 17. Add it. And let's write it over here at the corner. So 181 plus 17. So your answer is 198. So 198. So rupees 198 is our CP. This is our cost price, CP. But our selling price is rupees 220. So we now know that SP, first write SP is equals to rupees 220. Then is it 20 and over here is 98. So we now know that this SP is greater than CP. It does mean that what we have to do? Profit. It's a profit. So what it does? Profit is equals to, how much is profit? See, and the heading is what? Find the profit or loss. Profit or loss. You have to find it. What is the profit? What is the loss? It is not saying it's a profit or loss. You have to not give it one word. So now take the SP, that is 220 here. 220. And say write like this at the corner. That how did you get it? 20 minus. And are you writing all the videos that I make? If yes, it's good. No, start. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and do this whole videos that I have taught till now from the 3rd standard to the 4th standard. Because 3rd standard I have came with a lot of tricks, so you can see that also. So now, oh yeah, I've written, oh sorry. In case of this, first you have to write the formula, that is SP minus CP. Okay, cut it out. Okay, cut this line out. Or if you have written, just write beside it like SP minus CP. So write over here again the 220 minus 198. Or you can just cut it out like this. It's wrong. Okay, it's wrong. Okay, SP minus CP. Now 220 minus 198 is 11 minus 9 is 2. So here again 2 and 2. So it's rupees 22. This is our correct answer. And in this way your answer should look like. This is the perfect way your answer should look like. Okay. Now let's learn about. Now we've learned to find the profit. Now what our next question is all about find the SP in each case. Find the, we are at the end, let the video be long, but now we are coming at the end of the chapter, then no need to watch it. So let's just see the second Roman in here, that is find SP. Find SP. Again one time I am going to repeat the formulas for finding SP. If it's a profit, SP is equals to profit plus CP. If it's okay, and if it's loss, SP is equals to CP minus loss. Keep in mind. Okay. Now find SP. If the CP, if the cost price is equals to rupees 835 and profit is equals to profit is equals to rupees 65. And if you want to find what's SP, what is the SP? In that such a situations, what you have to do? You should know the formula, that is if profit. Now here it's given profit, so it's a profit. So SP is equals to profit plus CP. See this, profit and then add CP. So write that formula there. How did you get it? So here it's equals to SP is equals to CP plus profit. Okay, this is the short form. Now how will you do it? CP is what? Rupees 835. So write over here rupees 835 plus profit is what? Rupees 65. Add it all. What do you get? Get 900 rupees. So rupees 900 is your selling price. If it's wrong, if you're thinking it's wrong, check like this. It's profit. So SP minus CP is going to give you this, and that you will gonna get. Okay. Now this was the A sum we did. Okay. Now let's look at the B sum. Now let's get with overhead charges. Okay, let's go with overhead charges. Overhead charges are literally being confusing. Don't worry, you have to just add it to CP. Remember, overhead charges are always added to the CP. Always added to CP. Now, let's do the B sum. That is CP is equals to rupees 9,530. Rupees 9,530. Try this sum, okay? Profits is equals to rupees 725. And overhead charges. Overhead charges. We are dealing over here with overhead charges. So overhead charges is equals to rupees 180. I will, okay, tell. What will be the answer? Okay, now in this case, we have the CP plus we have the profit. But before we go to, okay, let me just show you one time. Oh, here in my note, there is written like this. See, if CP is profit, wait, let me just check. Is this a perfect sum or is it? Okay, oh wait, charges. So see, SP is equals to CP plus profit. So what is CP? 9,530 plus 185. I have add 180. Why I have add 180? To know that what's my perfect CP. Okay, let me just show you here once again what I'm going to do now. See, now I know SP is equals to CP plus profit. So SP is equals to CP plus profit. So you have to write that CP is, so SP is equals to CP plus profit. But you don't know what is this cost price. So what you have to do is write this formula in a bracket. In a bracket like structure, you can write it up. Okay, in a bracket like structure, you write down. Okay, then what you do is write like this only, that SP is equals to CP plus profit. Profit is equals to 9,530 plus 180. So the answer will be 0. 8 plus 3 is 11. Now 1 more carry it. 1 plus 5 is 6. 7. 8 plus 3 is 11, right? So 5 plus 6. 9710 is what we get, but the sum is incomplete here because we got 9710, but instead we wanted the profit to be added. So right, like this. So is equals to, this is equals to, arrow it, write CP. Then if you want to know the selling price, it's not the selling price. No, write CP, so cost price. Write again that formula, that SP. Over here you don't write this formula. It's wrong, okay? You write CP plus overhead charges. Instead you write CP plus overhead charges. Then you do like this, where we have done it. So CP is equals to rupees, this, like this you have to write, because there you are getting some amount, right? So you can write that. Now like this, SP is equals to CP plus profit. Write this, you write profit. So here will be 9710. Profit is 75 rupees, 75. Okay, what will be the answer? That is your answer. Okay, 5, 2 plus 1 is 3, 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay, 10, 4, 3, 5 rupees is your answer. Okay, get it? And wait, let me just see, are there any more questions? Okay, in this, the last questions are remained over here. We are going to do in the next video. For now, we have just completed find SP. Okay then, see you next video. Bye bye.